Linguini, what are you doing? Yes, sir. Finish cleaning up the floor and don't forget to take out the garbage. Yes, sir. Linguini, what are you doing? No! Your soup. They want to know who made the soup. I didn't make it. Oh no, don't look at me. I didn't make that. I think it was linguine. Yes, tell them it was linguine. It was our new chef, linguine. This is the best soup ever. It's amazing. I will tell everybody to come here and taste the soup. What will I do? I can cook. I can help you. But how I get you in the kitchen? I have an idea. Yeah, we're going to teach you a lot of things. Don't worry, cooking is very easy. Yeah, and it's a lot of fun. to get ready for Christmas tonight. Are you ready? Okay.
两个站在隔壁，就知道高了快就头了。
Tell you something. He is not the great cook you think he is. It was him. What a mouse? Oh my God! There's a mouse in the kitchen. This is horrible. Yeah, we're leaving.